Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Jose Rangel and this is my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a AFE Takeda cold air intake on my 2007 Lexus IS350. I believe the years go on through 2006 through 2013, I believe, and I believe the 250 is the same setup, so you should be fine. Alright guys, so the tools that we will be needing today are a 3/8 ratchet, a 10mm 3/8 socket, some type of clip pullers, some pliers, 3/8 extensions for your ratchet, Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead, but I'm just going to be using this screwdriver with the bits. Should be alright guys, so this is what the kit comes with. Comes with a nice oiled up cone filter, intake tubing. It's a pretty nice finish, really like it. Comes with this trim piece. I'm guessing it's for the heat shield over there. Comes with this nice Takeda sticker. Probably put it on the intake tubing somehow. Figure it out later. Comes with these clamps, all the hardware you'll need. I believe, what are these? Couplings, something like that. Came with this nice calendar. Shout out to AFE, pretty nice. Also some stickers. And there are the instructions that filled. Alright guys, enough talking, now let's get wrenching. Alright, now the first thing you want to do is pop your hood and get it open. Pretty simple, right? Alright, now let's take off this cover down over here. Just pop it open like that. Pretty easy. Just lay it down over here. Alright, now we're going to take off this trim piece and that trim piece. Just get your pliers. These are pretty easy to come out. You just push them down and just pull them up and they'll come off right easy. Alright, so you want to push that down. Just get your clip pullers or a flathead, anything that works, and just pull it up. That's pretty easy. Most of mine are missing. I don't know, that's how I got the car, but it is what it is. Alright guys, once you get all those clips out of the way, you simply just pull it straight up, just like that. Pretty simple. Just put it somewhere. Put it right there. That'll be fine. Alright, now let's get that clip out over there. This one's pretty easy. You just go in the same way. Just pull it out. Just like that. Alright guys, once you get that clip out of the way, there's this little 10mm clip thingy over here. Just get your ratchet with your 10mm and the extension and just wrench it out. I'm just going to use my impact to make this plain and simple. Just get in there. Pop. It pops just right out. Just place that with the other ones. It'll be fine. Alright guys, once you get those covers out of the way, you have the intake nicely exposed right there. Now back here, there's a 10mm right there with the clamp connected to the throttle body. Just want to just wrench that out. Just get your pliers. Put this. Probably do this with my hand. Just pull it out right there. Pretty easy. There's also this other 10mm over here. Also, just unclip your air box and also disconnect your MAP sensor. Pretty easy. Just a little clip right here. Just pull it out like that. Also over here, there's another 10mm over here, and I believe that's a clip. I'm not sure. Mine is missing. Sorry about that, guys. But it should either be a 10mm or a clip. Pretty simple to take out. Now when you get all of that unscrewed and take the air box off, down here on the intake tube there's this little clamp on the hose. Basically just pull it off the hose, just right there. It'll be fine. Just right there on the bottom. Now that you got all that off, you could just go over here, take this off now. Pretty easy. Now you're gonna have one 10mm bolt right there, another 10mm bolt down right there, if you can see it, just right there. Also this little connector thing right here, just pull that off with your pliers.
The world has been broke down. The world is just announced. Vital time is now.
Also on your air box, you might want to take off your MAF sensor. There's just these two little screws right here. Just take them off with your Phillips head.
The final time to bow, but I will not get down, for you can't force me now. Awakening is clear, I could show you how.
Alright guys, next step, we're gonna start building the new intake. So you're gonna get this adapter plate, you're gonna place it behind the heat shield with the 3 screws that AFE provided. One thing I didn't mention, you will need a 4mm Allen key since you will need them for these. Sorry, can't really get the focused. There you go.
I could show you how to fight them. I could show you how to defeat
Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is place the heat shield in place where you took the 2 bolts from the stock intake. What the thing is, I noticed that it's going to hit this little thing. I don't know what this is. It's probably the auto adjuster, I'm assuming. It's just a 10mm. Just loosen that up. I guess that's just going to have to be loose for now. I'll figure out later what I'm going to do with it. It doesn't really show instructions about that or anything. It's kind of weird though. Yeah, don't know, but yeah. Here, let's put the heat shield. So next thing we're going to do is install the intake tubing. Also, before that, we're going to install these couplers. The bigger one goes over here, and the smaller one goes on the throttle body over there.
I could show you how to defeat them now.
Alright guys, we got the couplings in, the intake tubing in. I didn't want to put it on film. It was just a lot of hassle trying to get them in, but it's not that hard though. Just get the couplings in the intake tubing first, and then put it in the throttle body, and then just clamp these down. Then just face it over here, put it in there, clamp these down. Pretty simple. You don't want to get it on film. Just a bunch of, I didn't want to run time on it. But then once we're done with that, we're gonna install. Or we're going to put the MAF we took out of the old intake back into the new intake.
The world has been broke down. The world is just announced. Final time is now. The final time to bow. But I will not get down, for you can't force me now. Awakening is clear.
Alright guys, once you guys got that MAF in, just connect it back in. There you go. There you have it. Just tuck the wire back in there somewhere. Also, you could connect the crank tubing back. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is grab that heat shield trim and just place it around here and down here. The smaller one's going to go down on the bottom. and the bigger one's gonna go around the top.
I could show you how. I could show you how to fight them. I could show you how to defeat them now.
Alright, so once you guys get that trim on there, nice and neat, I'd recommend doing that before installing it. I kind of messed up, but you know, it is what it is. I kind of struggled a little. To save you guys some time, just install this little trim piece before you put the heat shield in. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, install the air filter and right there.
For you can't force me now. Awakening is clear. I could show you how. I could show you how to fight them.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. You can install this piece again down here below, but my fitment isn't that great. It doesn't really work out, so I'm just gonna keep it out. But if you want, you can try to make it work, trim it out, do what you gotta do to make it fit. That should be fine. Well, let's see how she starts. Alright guys, so that's how you install an AFE Takeda intake on a 2007 Lexus IS350. Please like, comment, subscribe,